If I go on YouTube and I do not find a how-to video on something, I assume it is purgatorial hell. And that's exactly what this Econoline E250 headlight switch is. I'm going to tell you what has to come off and then show you the secret of you now in the comments section telling me you got just so far and couldn't get the rest off. What you have to do is you have to rip this off. It goes this direction. You have to reach up in here, remove both of these 7mm. You're going to peel this forward after dropping this down. And then you're going to hit a certain point where that hole does not fit over that knob. And there's supposed to be a black piece here. So now let's go take a look at my junker that I'm tearing apart for parts and show you why. Now please give a round of applause for my better half Jessie, who's in perils while she films so that you guys can see what it is I'm after on this thing. Alright, so you ripped out your panel, and then you went to take this piece out, and you realized that you cannot get to that, or that 7mm, and that your panel is now stuck with this piece right here. Let's show you how it is you're supposed to get that knob out of there. Obviously this nub needs to come out of here, and so does this piece of plastic. The piece of plastic just unscrews. That's the easy part. But how do you get the nub out? I've cut this so that this will actually come forward so that you can see that itty bitty little pin right there. Now, let me put it back in. And this is why you need friends with very long arms and fingers. Because what you have to do is next to your emergency pedal, you reach up through, around the top, push the button down while holding the front with your thumb, press in, pull out, press in, pull out, and there you go. It takes a couple of tries. Now this unscrews, and it has way longer thread than it needs. This pops out, and now you can remove these and that and pop it all back down through the bottom of the dash. So you have to unscrew this, and then the whole assembly comes back through and comes out the bottom. That thing sucks.
Recording.
Alright, reassembly is just plain the opposite. All you gotta do is screw that onto there, get it in place, and then lovingly, once you get this lined up with its slot, you can actually see this thing move. You just lovingly tap it in. If we push down and we go in and out a couple of times, and of course now it's going to decide not to do it while I'm on camera. There it goes. So that right there is what you have to get to by using this finger over the top while pressing your thumb on the bottom of there, in behind where you cannot see a damn thing. Good luck, and I hope you're not on the side of the road needing headlights.